Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. Today we have taken a JEE Main question with, which is based on combinations. If the sides of AB, BC, CA of a triangle ABC have 3, 5, 6 interior points respectively, then the total number of triangles that can be constructed using these points as vertices is equal to, four options are given: 360, 240, 333 and 364. So this is a figure I have drawn already. This is your A, B and C. Here on AB there are 3 points, 1, 2, 3, and on BC there are 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on AC, there are 6 interior points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The question is how many triangles can be drawn taking these points. So you cannot draw the triangle taking these 3 points. You cannot with these 5. So you have to take different points from different sides. Like what? So what will be the possible combination? First is we can take 1 point from AB, 1 point from BC, 1 point from AC. So that will be in how many ways it can be formed. So triangles can be drawn. First is taking point from each of the side. So 1 point from AB, that means it can be drawn in number of ways will be 3 combination 1 multiplies 1 from BC, that means it can be done in 5 combination 1, and last is 6 combination of 1. So it will be 3 into 5 into 6, it will be 90. Taking 1 point from each side. Next is we are taking 1 point from AB and 2 points from BC. So it will be 3 combination 1 into 5 combination 2, that will be 30. Or it can be 1 point from BC and 2 points from AB. So it will be 5C1 into 3C2. It will be 5 into 6. 3C2 is 3, 5 into 3, it will be 15. Next is, in the same way from other we can get 1 point from BC and 2 points from AC. It will be 5C1 into 6C2. That will be your 5C1 is 5, 6C2 will be 4, 5, it will 15, 75. or 1 point from AC and 2 points from BC. So it will be 6C1 into 5C2. It will be your 6C1 is 6 into 5C2 10. It will be 60. One is left only, AB and AC. 1 point from AB and 2 points from AC. It will be 3C1 multiply 6C2. So it will be your 45. And 2 points from AB and 1 point from AC. So it will be 6C1 into 3C2. It will be 18. So let us find now 90 plus 30 plus 15 plus 75 plus 60 plus 45, here 18. So let us take total 90, 30, 15. 90 plus 30 plus 15, 15 plus 75 plus 60 plus 45 plus 18. So total it will be 333. So let us check the answer. Yes, 3 is the correct answer. So number of triangles can be drawn is 333. Thank you for watching.